Around 3 buckets of water is wasted in each household every day. Each family can save the same amount of water, then a population of 75 lakhs, comprising of 18 lakhs and 75,000 families, can save a total of 940 lakh liters of water every day. From 240 square kilometers in 2006, Bangalore has grown threefold in its area today. But unfortunately, the groundwater resources have not multiplied in the same proportion. In the last 2 years, more than 200 of new buildings have become homes to families. Also, new office complexes have come up. The construction of these high-rises involves a large amount of water consumption, and a major portion of that water goes wasted. To sustain these families and office complexes, we need additional liters of water, but only 1/4 of the used water goes back to the earth.
In Bangalore, we are receiving the water 900 million liters, out of which we are supplying varying from 60 liters per capita per day.
But the actual consumption per person is 170 to 180 liters per day.
But outer parts and intermediate zones which are having lot of high-rise building apartments, they don't have out BWSSB supply, and hence they are fully dependent on groundwater. One bore well, instead of being used for the catering 1 to 2 houses, is being used 100, 150, sometimes 150 houses. That is putting lot of stress on the groundwater system in the area, and as a result leading to over-exploitation of the resource.
Concrete buildings have displaced the green cover of earth, creating barriers against the water cycle. Unchecked digging of borewells to meet the requirements of these apartments leads to lowering of the water table.
At present, there is no criteria, madam. We don't have any control over this digging of borewells.
This leads to declining of water table, in nutshell drying up of borewells.
Borewells are not giving much. Yield is not sufficient.
Population density is quite high. Basically, lakes are meant for recharging the groundwater system. When you are doing away with lake, making it a building and all, that recharge component will cease to be there.
Lakes are the natural reservoir of surface water. It collects rainwater and brings back the water to the earth in the form of groundwater. Once the lakes go dry, it is definitely going to affect the levels of groundwater. The city once had 261 lakes, but most of them cannot be traced today. Some have shrunk to mere pools and some have dried up. Some have been encroached by the slums and some by private parties. This area called Majestic was once a lake. Water from here is being diverted to wash cars and clean buildings, build hotels and airports. Urbanization and urban infrastructure development have effectively made others cesspools. City of Lakes is soon going to be a concrete of these skyscrapers, and the lakes will be reduced to a mirage.